Good morning children. Welcome to English class. Today I'll teach you a topic from your grammar book, that is determiners. Today I'll teach you this determiner topic, and in this topic we'll cover what are determiners and what are the kinds of determiners. So let's start. Children, what are determiners? You have already read this topic in your earlier classes also, and there I have taught you in detail. But today I'll just recap this topic. Clear? So what are determiners? Determiners are the words used before the noun. It just works as an adjective. Clear? So what is determiner? Determiner is a word used before noun. And now let us see the kinds of determiners. Determiners are of 5 kinds. Number 1 is articles. What are articles, children? A and the. These are articles. The is definite article and a and an are the indefinite articles. Why the is definite? Because it is used before any particular person, place, things, animals. And a and an are the indefinite articles because they can be used with any person, place, animal or thing. I'll give you the example. Suppose that I have a pencil. See here. Pencil is noun, right? And a is article. Article. It is this particular a word is qualifying the pencil. It is telling about something that pencil is one. Clear? So they say a is article. Article is the part of determiner. Clear? Now the next one is possessives. What are these possessive? Possessive means ownership. I'll take the example. The things will be more clear to you. Suppose that this is my bag. See here. Bag is noun, right? And just before the bag, my is used. This my is showing the ownership. Clear? So, possessive means possession, ownership. Clear? Now, let us see the third kind of determiners, that is demonstrative. Demonstrative are of 4 types. This, that, these, those. You know where this is at, that, these, those. This means the object should be singular and it should be quite near to the person. That means the object should be singular and the object should be away from the person. These means the object should be plural and the object should be near to the person, and those means object should be plural and they should be away from the person. Hope this thing is clear to you. Now I'll give you the example to make it more clear. Suppose that if I use this bag is mine. See here, children. Again here bag is noun. Here this. This is demonstrative determiner. Here bag is noun. This is the demonstrative determiner. Clear? Now quantifiers. Quantifier means what? Quantifiers takes ordinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Clear? So I'll give you the example of this also. Suppose that I have 10 pencils. See here. Pencil is noun. Here pencils is noun and 10 indicates the number of the pencil. Clear? Same way if I say I have many books. Here books, noun, and many shows the quantity of books. Wherever the quantity is shown, that means that goes to quantifiers. Clear? Now the last one is interrogative. What is this interrogative determiners? Interrogative determiners are used for asking question. I'll give you an example. Which book do you like to read? See here. Book is down and which is used in the beginning, that means it is forming interrogative sentence. So here in this case, which is interrogative determiners. Clear? So let us recap the things that we have learned today. That means what are determiners? Determiners are the words used before the noun and it qualifies the noun just like an adjective does. And what are the kinds of determiners? Article, possessive, demonstrative, quantifiers, interrogative. These are the kinds of determiners. Clear? Hope the topic is clear to you. We'll meet in the next class with some other topic. Till then, bye.